Welcome to our LiLi cooking channel, where culinary delights come to life. Get ready to embark on a mouth-watering journey through a world of flavors, techniques, and irresistible recipes. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, our channel is your ultimate destination for inspiration, education, and pure gastronomic pleasure. Join us as we explore the art of cooking from scratch, sharing our passion for creating delicious meals that will tantalize your taste buds. From classic comfort foods to exotic international dishes, we're here to ignite your culinary creativity and help you master the secrets of the kitchen. Introducing a delightful and healthy dish that's as fun to make as it is to eat, zucchini boats. These delectable vessels feature tender zucchini halves filled with a flavorful mixture of your choice, baked to perfection, and topped with melted cheese. Whether you're looking for a low-carb option or simply want to enjoy the goodness of zucchini in a creative way, these zucchini boats are sure to impress. Join us on a culinary adventure as we explore the step-by-step process of crafting these delicious and versatile treats. Get ready to set sail on a sea of flavor with our irresistible zucchini boats recipe. Ingredients: 4 medium-sized zucchini, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 red bell pepper, diced, 1 cup diced tomatoes, canned or fresh, 1 cup cooked quinoa, or any other grain of your choice, ½ cup shredded mozzarella cheese, or cheese of your choice, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon dried Italian herbs, such as oregano, basil, or thyme, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley or basil for garnish, optional. Instructions: preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or lightly grease it. Wash the zucchini thoroughly under running water. Trim off the ends and cut each zucchini in half lengthwise. Use a spoon to gently scoop out the seeds and some of the flesh from the center, creating a hollow cavity in each zucchini half. Be careful not to remove too much flesh, as you still want the boats to hold their shape. Set the hollowed zucchini halves aside. Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and garlic, and sauté until they become fragrant and slightly softened, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the diced bell pepper to the skillet and continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes until the pepper becomes tender. Stir in the diced tomatoes and cooked quinoa, and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Season with dried Italian herbs, salt, and pepper according to your taste preferences. Remove the skillet from heat. Place the hollowed zucchini halves on the prepared baking sheet. Spoon the filling mixture into each zucchini boat, pressing it down gently to fill the cavity. Make sure to distribute the filling evenly among all the boats. Sprinkle the shredded mozzarella cheese and grated Parmesan cheese over the top of each zucchini boat, covering the filling. Transfer the baking sheet to the preheated oven and bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, or until the zucchini boats are tender and the cheese is melted and lightly golden. Once cooked, remove the zucchini boats from the oven and allow them to cool for a few minutes. Garnish with fresh parsley or basil if desired. Serve the zucchini boats as a main dish, accompanied by a side salad or crusty bread. Enjoy! Feel free to modify the filling ingredients according to your taste and dietary preferences. You can experiment with different vegetables, meats, or grains to create your own unique zucchini boat recipe. Bon appétit!